Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back for this sound check. John Lee TV in the house. So, ayan. It's a Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday to everyone. And what's up guys? Order. And samahan nyo guys sa aking sound check today. Okay. Lord, guide us and bless us our sound check today. Ayan, sabayan mo kami Lord sa aming pagtutugtog ko ngayon. Inyong lingkod, Digi Jones in the house. So, ayan. Start natin ng sound check by Deep Breath. And so ayan guys, pasadaan muna natin yung ating The Jones Audio Mini Lights and Sounds. Ayan guys, powered by Joson and Sakura concert, ayan, DBX concert, ayan, and Behringer and Trident guys, yung ating switch, power switch. Then ang ating guys is ayan, ating mga routable Rockstone, XLR, male and female po. So ayan, ayan yung ating mga speaker guys. Naka tayo ngayon guys, naka full sit up tayo guys. Ayan. So ayan yung ating mini sound system guys. Siya ini guys, comment lang dyan in comment section. So ini rental is set up and selling guys, Jones Audio online shop guys. Then ayan, start tayo guys. Ayan yung aking sub guys, D12 yan, loaded by nuclear atomic 1 watts, D12 lang guys. Then ating kasi na medyo inaayos ko pa yung aking NXL12. So ito muna yung aking mid top guys, yung ating crown, yung crown guys, yan nasa left, powered by crown tower guys. Then ang aking high compression, ayan, made by Rabino Carnelio. So ayan guys, sound check na natin guys. Ayan na guys, so ayan, okay, welcome back for today's sound check. Ayan guys.
Huawei Remix.
Ayan, ito nga yung ating compression driver. Then ayun nga ating tower guys, ayan, nasa left, kasi dalawa yung tower ko guys. Ayun, ito guys, full range siya, full range. Ginawa ko munang mid high guys. Ayan, grabing sagit seat guys, sagit seat. Bawasan natin sagit seat. Ayan guys, yung ating pihit, ayan, nakasi dito guys, naka na yan guys. Ayan pa lang yung volume natin guys, oh.
WAR.
So ayan guys, made by Prolan Audio Cable, okay. Ikot natin, ayan, pag may mga guys, message lang in comment section, mga gustong magpa-symbol, message lang direct or kanyang page po, Prolan Audio Cable ng Aero, Quezon City guys. Ayan guys, napakalinaw guys, tignan, makapalinis tignan guys. So ayan, astig talaga guys. Ayan siya guys. Okay. What's up guys? Mega shout out to all in sounds industry guys. Samahan nyo guys. Okay. Welcome back for today's video. Once again, John Lee TV and yung Digi Jones in the house. So ayan. So, ayan guys, okay. Ikot natin guys. Ayan yung ating ayan, yung ating QLED, okay, 55, okay. TCL, powered by TCL. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang guys, and thank you so much for watching, and God bless to everyone po.